In search for the perfect holiday drink to cure your guest of rusting Grinch face? With this dashing through Denver drink based on our Denver After Dark Ghost Tour, you're sure to bring some joy into everyone's holiday evening. I'm your host, Bella, and this is Cryptic Cocktails. For today's holiday drink, I'll be unwrapping a bottle of Midori. We'll start with 1.5 ounces of that, and 1 ounce of white rum. We'll add some ice to our shaker and give it a quick shake. Here we have some grenadine and some crushed candy cane. Now we'll take our martini glass, we'll dip it in the grenadine, and then give it a few taps in the crushed candy cane. And now your glass should look like this. Now we pour in our Midori and rum. Top it off with some 7-Up, and finish with a maraschino cherry. And there you have it, the dashing through Denver. And now, I would like to introduce my friend Misty, who will be coming on to try this evening's drink and give us her thoughts. Hi, Misty.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you this evening?
That looks beautiful.
Thank you. This drink is called Dashing Through Denver. It's based on our Denver After Dark Ghost Tour.
Okay.
And I'm gonna ask you to try the drink and tell me if you can guess what's in it and just give me your overall opinion.
Okay. The garnishment looks great.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Oh, that's good.
Thank you. So do you have any guess on what's in it?
Vodka.
There's actually not any vodka in
Okay.
here. There's white rum though.
Okay, maybe because of the peppermint. That's good though, not too strong.
Thank you.
Gives you a holiday feel though that peppermint takes away from the sweetness of Midori.
Yeah.
So something nice, different to drink during the holiday time.
What type of event would you maybe want to have a drink like this at, based on the taste?
Maybe a get together with your girlfriends instead of drinking martinis one night and doing like chocolate martinis. Do something like that.
That would actually be a really cute idea.
Yeah, and then you could even change the garnishment because that peppermint really gives it the holiday. So if you change that for another get together, but would be a cute drink for all your girls.
Absolutely. All right, well, thank you so much for coming on this evening.
Thanks for having me.
Of course.
It's good to see you.
You as well. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Cryptic Cocktails. Be sure to like and subscribe, and happy holidays.